Meaning of Gambian.
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 Gambian. The term Gambian refers to something or someone that originates from or is related to the West African country of the Gambia. The Gambia is a small, predominantly Muslim nation bordered by Senegal on 3 sides and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. The country has a population of just over 2 million people, with the majority living in rural areas. The official language is English, and the economy is largely dependent on agriculture and tourism. The Gambia is known for its beautiful beaches, birdwatching, and cultural heritage.